Mindyra's MindHealth Navigator gives you one place to go for your mental health care. After registering and answering 9 simple questions, the Navigator will guide you to your personalized care paths. There are many ways for you to address mental health challenges. Mindyra's MindHealth Navigator gives you the freedom to choose the resource you want, whether it be talking with a therapist, using self-help tools, or joining a peer support group. Smart Care Navigation is our way of saying, whatever you're looking for, we can guide you to it. By guiding you to vetted care paths, we help you explore the best of what's out there specific to your focus area and make a decision about how you want to care for yourself. We recommend that everybody learn more about what they're going through, so we guide all users to the Navigator's Learning Library, which includes helpful videos and other content. Our well-being tips are for people who may be looking to address other non-clinical challenges they face, like improving stress management skills or more effectively working exercise into their daily routine. There are over 20,000 mental health apps out there. That makes finding a good one overwhelming and difficult. The MindHealth Navigator's vetted app directory helps you find the 2 best mobile apps to address your challenges. If you're looking to interact with others, the MindHealth Navigator can connect you to online peer group support. For those looking for individual therapy, the Navigator can connect you to licensed mental health therapists. Throughout this process, we help you monitor your progress and ensure that what you're doing is working. While we do provide de-identified aggregate data to your employer, we never provide them with individual data. They will never see your data. Come use the MindHealth Navigator anytime. Whether you need mental health support now or just want to boost your mental resilience, we are here for you.